This is a toaster. I use it to toast bread for breakfast. This is a pot. I use this pot when I boil water or make soup. This is a peeler. I use it to peel potatoes and carrots quickly. This is a knife. I use a sharp knife to cut vegetables safely. This is a cutting board. I always chop vegetables on a cutting board to keep the counter clean. This is a spoon. I use a spoon to stir soup while it is cooking. This is a fork. I usually eat pasta or salad with a fork. This is a plate. I put the main dish on a plate before serving it. This is a bowl. I use a bowl for soup, cereal, or salad. This is a cup. I drink tea or coffee from this cup every morning. This is a pan. I use this pan to fry eggs or cook vegetables. This is a spatula. I use a spatula to flip pancakes without breaking them. This is a ladle. I use a ladle to serve hot soup into bowls. This is a whisk. I use a whisk to beat eggs or mix batter. This is a grater. I grate cheese with this grater when I make pasta. This is a rolling pin. I use a rolling pin to roll out dough evenly. This is a measuring cup. I use a measuring cup to measure liquids accurately. This is a measuring spoon. I use measuring spoons when I need a small amount of salt or sugar. This is a strainer. I use a strainer to drain pasta after boiling it. This is a colander. I rinse vegetables in a colander before I cook them. This is a blender. I use the blender to make smoothies and sauces. This is a microwave. I heat leftovers in the microwave when I am in a hurry. This is an oven. I bake bread, cakes, and chicken in the oven. This is a stove. I cook most of my meals on the stove. This is a refrigerator. I keep fresh food in the refrigerator so it stays cold. This is a freezer. I store frozen meat and vegetables in the freezer. This is a rice cooker. I use a rice cooker because it cooks rice evenly. This is a kettle. I boil water in the kettle when I want tea. This is a coffee maker. I use a coffee maker to make fresh coffee in the morning. This is a dishwasher. I load the dishwasher after dinner to save time. This is an onion. I chop the onion carefully because it can make my eyes water. This is a carrot. I peel the carrot before I slice it. This is a potato. I usually boil potatoes before I mash them. This is a tomato. I slice the tomato and add it to a sandwich or salad. This is an egg. I crack the egg into a bowl before I beat it. This is bread. I toast the bread until it becomes golden and crispy. This is cheese. I grate the cheese before adding it to pasta. This is rice. I rinse the rice before cooking it in the rice cooker. This is pasta. I drain the pasta and mix it with sauce. This is soup. I serve the soup while it is still hot. This is a sink. I wash my hands and rinse vegetables in the sink. This is a faucet. I turn on the faucet when I need clean water. This is a sponge. I use a sponge to scrub plates and bowls. This is dish soap. I use dish soap to remove grease from dirty dishes. This is a towel. I dry my hands with a towel after washing them. This is a trash can. I throw food scraps into the trash can while cooking. This is a kitchen counter. I prepare ingredients on the kitchen counter before I cook. This is a cabinet. I keep cups, plates, and bowls in the cabinet. This is a drawer. I store forks, spoons, and knives in the drawer. This is an apron. I wear an apron to keep my clothes clean while cooking. Great job! Practice these kitchen sentences every day. Follow Easy Home English for more easy English.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.